I go to school every day. My sister dances every day. My little brother cries every day. My dad goes to work every day. My mom cooks every day. This is my family. Guess. What's in my hat? I think it is a mouse. No, it can hop. I think it is a rabbit. No, it can swim in the water. I think it must be a frog. Bingo. It is a green frog. Could I sit by you on bus after school? Could I do my homework with you after school? Could I have snacks with you after school? Could I play with you after school? Could I take a nap with you after school? Could you be in my dream after school? Jill and Joe are going to the pool. Timmy asks, could I go? Jill says, let's go. So Timmy brings his trunks. And they go to the pool after school.